I was on a sitcom called Animal Practice.
It's so good. Have you seen it?
Shut the f up! Do I bring up mixology?
I wish you would. It was my favorite show that I ever did.
So
there he is.
There was a sitcom on NBC called, and the star was the monkey.
He's on the right.
Is that the same monkey from Friends? Marcel?
What?
Is that the same monkey from Friends?
It is.
Exactly.
Is it actually?
Yeah. So the show got canceled, and it was the day.
Can I get a duh?
You know who produced it?
Huh.
The Russo brothers. Joe and Anthony Russo.
Joe, welcome to the Russo Brothers Pizza Place. This is
No.
Everybody has a flop here and there.
Uh-oh, Bert.
Oh, f you, dude.
All right,
What have you done?